Hi, this is Gail and welcome. I just wanted to do a quick follow-up to show you what I did with the triple pockets from Rachel's last challenge. Okay, so I took them, decorated them, and added some ephemera. So let's take a look. This, remember, looked like this. I'm not decorating the back because more than likely this is going to get glued down to a page on 3 sides. But just in case not, hey. Anyhow, decorated this. This is the Sunny Mornings kit from Calico Collage by Norella. And this is a freebie, might be Artie Mae's actually, so that you can do some writing on. And then in here, this was only single-sided paper, so I did use a printout on vellum from Caroline's Craftery. It's actually a checkered, like a gingham check, and then these little fussy cut flowers there. This is from a different kit by someone else. Don't remember who it is at this point, but I just made it into these cards, into like a little booklet to put in there. And here we have one of the postcards that I think is a freebie from Artie Mae's, but I'm not positive. It might not be. And then in here, these 2 tags, which are part of the Calico Collage kit. And again, I thought I had this flipped over when I did these, but it's no biggie. It's just lines. Doesn't really make a difference. One will go in this pocket, and then one will go behind when it's glued to the page. So there's that one. This one, I did use the fussy cut little pocket. This little cutie from the Calico Collage kit. Sunny Mornings. This cute quote. I want to be like a sunflower, so that even on the darkest days I will stand tall and find the sunlight. Okay, then again in here, this is a little file folder. Isn't she cute? And again, journaling card. Now, I could add more pages and make that a little journaling book. I might even do that. And then again, we have, you saw the other tag. And so I did add tabs on these, but it does make them considerably taller, so I've been thinking better about not doing that. Okay, here's the other little corner. These are the same tags, only smaller versions. 2 to a page I printed. Then there's this. I love this little jar. So cute. And again, great for writing. Here is another one of the folders. And again, great place for journal writing or turning it into a book, perhaps. And you've seen this already. So, and, oh, I forgot. I do need to put this together so that there's another card that goes behind. So I'll put that in my to-do pile. Okay, remember this? This was the one that had the flower set fabric, and I added this little box with the cute little mason jar, which, yes, you could journal on it, or write a word, or a quote, what have you. There, it does go back in. Sunny Mornings was the kit again. And there's that little tag. And back here, this little tag. and I added these cute little tabs, which now I'm not sure where I got those. This cute little tag or journaling card. And then this is from Caroline's Craft Tray, and I turned it into, it's a page, but I turned it into journaling spot and added that little tab on there. So that will go behind the pocket when the pocket is glued down. Okay, this one I decided not to use the picture of my horse or my cat. Those are going to go on something different, I decided. So I decorated this, cute little tags, added a little decoration there, and, excuse me, some more little tags. And these are from a different kit. It's called the Farmhouse, if I'm not mistaken. For right now, I can't think of who does it, but I'll put it in the description box. And again, this is from Caroline's Craft Tree. It's one of the pages of the kit, and I just folded it and put a tab on it. And again, I'm going to need something to go behind this when it's on the page. I'll try to remember who makes that. I feel like saying Figaro, but I'm not positive. Okay, these were the book page ones. Added this little pocket, this little postcard, cute little, it's a library card folded in half. Put that on, the little jar in here. One of the postcards again. And then back here, again, the small tags, which one will go in the pocket and one will go behind the pocket. And those were smaller, so I did not sew on those. This one, I love this. Be bright, sunny, and positive. Little cheesecloth behind it. The jar. Little sunflower decoration. Okay, tell me this isn't stuck. It's not, it's just tight. The little postcard again. I'm just going to leave that like that for now. And back here, of course, the same tags, just different sizes. One for in the pocket and one for behind the pocket when it's stuck down. So, those are the triple pockets. And I have 7 of them completed. So there's your follow-up, and sometimes I think it's helpful to see them all the way through, done, completed, so that you get ideas of how you might use them yourself. So, there you have it. And as usual, focus on joy, find that joy, whatever it may come from. Create some art and have some fun with that. And until next time, stay safe and stay healthy and have a great weekend. Bye-bye.